smoky eye look paired with extremely clean matte skin and a glossy pink lip. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to start off by applying the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer portion all over the eyes with a flat eyeshadow brush. Next, I'm using this orangish brown shade from e.l.f. Cosmetics Rose Gold Sunset palette on my crease and blending it with a Sigma E45 brush. This is going to be the transition color. It's best to apply little by little than a lot in the beginning, as there is no way to take off excess shadow already applied. Hence, I'm building the color on my crease. I went over this shade at least thrice. Now to add some intense color, I've picked a mauve shade from the e.l.f. Cosmetics Mad for Matte Summer Breeze palette with the Real Techniques crease brush on the outer corner, extending it to the crease and inner corner of the eye, leaving the middle of the eyelid bare. This might look weird in the beginning, but trust me, it's all going to work out. Now, I'm using a dome-shaped brush to get into the crease to help blend both the shades together. Back into the orangish brown shade and blending it all out with the same Sigma E45 brush. Now to add smoke to the smoky eye. So here I'm using a flat stiff brush and taking the Maybelline Gel Liner and applying it slowly and gently. I am blending the gel liner to the inner and outer corners too. To set the gel, we must use powder. Hence, I'm applying the black shadow from the e.l.f. Mad for Matte Summer Breeze palette by patting first and then blending it with the Real Techniques crease brush and then with MAC 217. There was a lot of blending going on as I realized that my gel liner had dried a bit. For highlight on the brow bone, I used this shimmery shade from the e.l.f. Rose Gold Sunset palette with the Sigma E45 brush. Moving on to the lower lid, I'm using the Milani Kajal pencil in my waterline and following it up with the matte black shadow under it with the Sigma E20 brush. I'm also going in with the same mauve shade that I used in the beginning with the Sigma E30 pencil brush to make the whole look come together and to add that smokiness to the lower lash line. Moving on to skin. First, I'm cleaning the fallouts with a Q-tip and the Garnier Micellar cleansing water. I'm using the Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation and blending it with an e.l.f. Cosmetics Beauty Blender and then applying the NYX Concealer in Neutral Bluff on my under eyes to cover up any shadows. To set the under eyes, I am applying MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC40 with a Real Techniques setting brush. Now it's time to curl the lashes. I'm using the Maybelline Colossal mascara. I'm contouring with the Benefit Hoola powder, taking it from out to in with the Sigma F40 slanted brush. I've noticed that these type of brushes make the placement and application during contouring much easier. Using a Real Techniques buffing brush, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me blush in Rose on the apples of my cheeks and blending upward. I'm using the MAC Semi Precious Crystal Pink Mineralize Skinfinish on my cheekbones with a MAC 225 and adding a tinge of it on the inner corner of the eyes with MAC 219 to add a pop. And it's off. Ta-da! For lips, I'm using the NYX lip pencil in Natural to add shape and filling them in with MAC Mocha. I love a good glossy lip with my smoky eye. So I'm applying the Estee Lauder lip gloss in Wild Lilac Shimmer only at the center of the lips to add a pout. hope you enjoyed it and would love to try it by yourself. See you soon, guys. Bye.